Hi guys, it's Chef Aviv here. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a perfect poached eggs. So let's start. Here I have a small pot with water that reached to a boil and reduced to simmer. Let's add some white wine vinegar, just a splash. I'm using organic eggs. The reason I'm using small strainer is to take all the excess water from the eggs and make the eggs perfect round shape. Let's mix a little bit. The reason I'm putting the eggs in a small bowl and then put it in the water, I want to keep the shape of the eggs and make sure I'm not going to damage it. Let's do the same thing with the second egg. We're going to cook the eggs about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, let's take the eggs out. As you can see, firm egg white and runny yolk. That's perfect. Let's take the other one. Just perfect. Here I have a challah bread that I just toasted in the oven. Here I have cherry tomato, sliced cucumber, avocado, mixed green spinach kale, some red onion, lemon juice, Zattar, salt, pepper, olive oil, and the eggs of course. I'm gonna start with the greens first. It's gonna be our bed. Now we're gonna add the avocado. I just slice it very thinly to make it elegant and gonna sit nice on the toast. I'm gonna add some red onion. Sliced cucumber. All around. Some cherry tomato. Here I have the poached eggs. Let's put it on top. Let's add some salt, pepper, olive oil, all around. Some Zattar. Squeeze of lemon juice. Alright guys, I'm Chef Aviv. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.